Laws of integral exponents. First law is x to the power n and into x to the power n. It is equal to x to the power n plus n. Powers will be added directly. For example, 3 to the power minus 2 into 3 to the power minus 4 is equal to 1 by 3 to the power 2 into 1 by 3 to the power 4. So it is equal to 1 by 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 4, which is equal to 1 by 3 to the power 2 plus 4. Powers will be added directly. It is from the identity a to the power minus n. It is equal 1 by a to the power n. So 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power minus 4 is equal to 3 to the power minus 6. It is 3 to the power minus 4 plus minus 2. So finally it is 3 to the power minus 6. This is the first law of integral exponents. This is the second law. It is x to the power n divided by x to the power n. So it is equal to x to the power m minus n. Powers will be subtracted. Example, 2 to the power minus 6 divided by 2 to the power minus 2. It is equal to 2 to the power minus 6 divided by 2 to the power minus 2. From identity a to the power m over a to the power n, it is a to the power m minus n. And it is equal to 2 to the power minus 6 minus 2 to the power minus 2. Powers will be subtracted with minus sign. It is equal to 2 to the power minus 6 plus 2. Minus minus is plus. So finally it will become 2 to the power minus 6 divided by 2 to the power minus 2 is equal to 2 to the power minus 4. This is the second law of integral exponents. Laws of integral exponents. Third law says x to the power n into x to the power n is x to the power n into n. Powers will be multiplied directly. For example, it is 3 to the power 4 to the power minus 2. It becomes 3 to the power 4 into minus 2. That means 2 into 4 is minus 8. So it is 3 to the power minus 8. Powers will be multiplied directly. Fourth law says x to the power n into y to the power n. Powers are similar, then it will be x into y to the power n. For example, it is 3 to the power minus 4 into minus 2 to the power minus 4. So it is 3 into minus 2 and the power finally will be minus 4 to the power minus 4. So it is 2 into 3 is minus 6. With minus sign it will become minus 6 to the power minus 4. This is the final answer. This is the fourth law of integral exponents.